Hola, me llamo Joaquin, just Joaquin, and I am here in Latin America to hunt the elusive jaguar. There's only 15,000 left in the world. Amigos. They're usually yellowish brown with black spots. An adult male jaguar may be up to 4 to 7 feet long, excluding the long tail. It weighs up to 300 pounds when fully grown. The jaguar's hind legs are longer to improve its jumping. Its gestation lasts 92 to 113 days, and a female can give birth to 1 to 5 cubs at a time, but usually the number is 2 or 3, and they're indigenous to the Western Hemisphere in Central and Southern America. Jaguars live in deciduous forests, rainforests, swamps, pampas grasslands, and mountain scrub areas. They prefer wet habitats like swamps or tropical rainforests. They also live in grasslands and forests. They use materials like leaves, rotten trees, etc. to make soft grounds for their homes. They're tertiary consumers. As carnivores, they eat animals like monkeys, fish, sloths, turtles, birds, and many more animals. They are tertiary consumers and predators. They play a role in stabilizing ecosystems and regulating the populations of prey species.
Because the jaguar is now endangered, all of its prey species have become overpopulated, and it is creating more competition for food.
Jaguars are in trouble because of habitat loss, prey loss, and poaching for their fur.
Placed on the endangered species list on July 22, 1997, the jaguar is still currently endangered because they were systematically hunted down by the federal government in the 20th century. Population count of jaguars is approximately 1,500. There are many binational conservation efforts that have helped protect a small population of 80 to 100 jaguars in the mountains of Sonora, Mexico, and the borders of Arizona. One way to fix the problem is to put regulations on poaching.
Another way to help the population is through habitat reconstruction and preservation. Hola amigos, it's Joaquin. I didn't see you there. I'm looking for the Panthera onca. If you see it, let me know. I want its food. Look, I see one now!